The feeling of I'm not good enough. The feeling of being inadequate. This inner voice which is constantly full of negative thoughts, nagging, being critical, judging you, whatever you do, and everything becomes an attempt to prove that you are worthy, that you are good enough. But deep down you feel and you know that's not right. Whom you're fooling. Maybe you can relate to what I'm saying, or maybe you know somebody who is suffering from this feeling of not being good enough. So then this video is for you in both cases. YouTube is full of videos and audios about self-affirmation. Of course, positive self-affirmation. I'm smart. I'm healthy. I'm good. I'm a great friend. And so on. And they listen to this every single morning. And it makes maybe their day. But deep down they understand, that's not right. So deep down they understand that this problem is still not solved. Because they try to solve it on the intellectual level, to talk themselves into from negative to positive. And it's just working temporarily because it's just scratching a little bit on the surface. And don't get me wrong, positive self-affirmation are amazing and I truly believe in them, but it's just 1/4 eventually of the whole work you need to do, because you have to understand the root. Now, by birth, we are glorious beings. And as time moves on, things are happening, experiences are made, something goes wrong. Perhaps some event, some incident, some misunderstanding, some misinterpretation, etc. And from there, it goes wrong. For example, classroom, teacher is asking the student a question and the student hesitates to answer and answers, but it's wrong. And the whole class is laughing at him. All other students are pointing out and laughing. And that student feels embarrassed. And that student eventually, or perhaps, make that conclusion, I will never speak again, I will never give an answer. Even when I know the answer, I'd rather not. And it goes on and on and on, and then he or she understands after many years a big fear of public speaking. Can't speak up in a meeting, or really in front of a big audience, or even in a one-on-one. They are reluctant to speak because still that experience, that event at this time, many years before, still there, and it's still working. So a belief was created, a conclusion was made, and it goes wrong, and it's continuing, repeating to go wrong. And repeating and repeating and repeating, and it's getting stronger and stronger because you're strengthening this subconsciously. So apart from this positive self-affirmation, we have to understand where it actually comes from. When was it created? Why was it created? In order to change it. And I will talk in the next video clip about exactly that, where it comes from and what to do about it. And I leave you with this little exercise for now. Whenever some negative thoughts come again in your mind, like I'm not good enough, you finish the sentence. I'm not good enough for what? I'm not good enough to whom? I wish you a great experience and I see you in the next episode. Bye, ciao, tschüss.